la tragedia, dónde cayó, dónde dormió, todo ya le mandé a ellos, que fue por mí y todo para que ellos fueran. And we all hunkered down in the floor right there. And then the next thing we know, it just sounded like an explosion went off. You could hear stuff flying everywhere. It was crazy. It's crazy. It is terrifying.
Wow, I know why. Look at that thing. Wow. Look at all that debris.
He was 31 years old. He got a 10-year-old boy. And that's another reason I didn't sleep last night too. So it's not, I'm thankful that we're all alive, but what hurts me more than anything is he lost his life last night. That's what hurts more than anything. It's not that all this material stuff can be replaced, but my friend can't.
The house was shaking, tree fell on the house. Very loud, very scary.
Yeah, it literally felt like the whole house was shaking, like the foundation, and we could hear all the trees just snapping.
Yeah.
And I think we must have heard the boom of the fireball that happened back there too.
Yeah, from the power station.